Hello, FreightWaves. Thanks for having us. I'm Kendall Scott, Vice President of Marketing for Turvo, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Jeff Grodd, Vice President of Sales Engineering. We're here to show you Turvo. Turvo brings supply chains value through a cloud-based TMS so you can plan, execute, and settle your business the most efficient way possible. Today, with the limited time that we have, we're going to show you Turvo's collaboration power. Supply chains require everybody to operate as if it's a team sport. Everybody has to collaborate. So, Jeff, take it away. We'll show you how Turvo helps facilitate.
Awesome. Thank you, Kendall, and thank you, FreightWaves, and thank you, Chattanooga. So in today's short time, I'm just going to be scratching the surface of Turvo. Now, let's get right into it. And we're here for one reason and one reason only, and that's for rapid fire demo, right? So let's put your tray tables and your seat backs in their upright position, and let's get ready to take a look at under the hood and see what allows Turvo to disrupt the transportation industry. So the first thing that you're going to notice as you look over my shoulders, we look different, and that's because we truly are. We use interactive tiles to bring more than just a control tower, but a dashboard allowing you to understand what's going on in your supply chain, allowing you to compartmentalize your data so you can look at how you can plan, execute, and settle what's going well and what's not going well, allowing you to focus on those things that need to. Looking here at needs appointment, this is quickly and easily going to allow you to focus on those shipments that need attention. And now looking at this, each one of these shipments gives you a contextual view into that supply chain event. And then from there, we can hit the fast action button, that little blue icon in the bottom right-hand corner, and immediately take action without having to drill into multiple screens, quickly and easily impacting your carrier and your location with appointment-related data. Now, dovetailing on that technology, utilizing exception management, we've also got our workbench, which is based on user-driven autopilot rules that allow you to then focus on those shipments that need attention. Kendall had just highlighted one that's giving us that data on the left, the shipment detail on the right, and it's giving us everything we need to know to make a decision. So that's not just a great map from Google. We also have a blue icon in there that's showing us the position location from the telematics of that truck. Again, giving you everything you need to know on that shipment. And then also a fast action button, which gives you the ability now to click into it and take immediate action on that shipment, minimizing the clicks. Now, something else that differentiates Turvo in the marketplace, more and more places to put data. And not only are we able to do shipments, everybody does shipments, but think about offers, orders, shipments, and now inventory. Looking at inventory, many of our LSP customers are managing more and more of their customers' business, including inventory. So repeating WMS information, bringing it into Turvo, and now giving you the availability through one system to be able to see what is going on with our bolts in this case. What's expected, what's committed, and then of course being able to write back to the WMS on quality holds and then holds that we want to put on behalf of a customer. But there's more. We also can drill into orders. So now what we've done is we've been able to take the continuum from shipment to inventory right back to order, giving you one system instead of having to peek into your WMS, your ERP, and then TMS, all available in Turvo TMS. Additionally, something transforming the industry is the amount of North American container freight coming inbound to the United States. So what we have now is we've got an integration with OpenTrack that's giving us the geolocation on container traffic coming in and out of North America. But there's more in this as well. So as we mesh that data in Turvo, we're able to give the geolocation on the container, the milestone management, and also the last free day. Streamlining those operations and streamlining the pickup on the dray moves inbound and outbound of North American ports. Again, another area that's driving value for our customers across our portfolio. So looking at the entity tray here on the left, what we have is we have the ability to park various pieces of data, and these are all driven also by API, and also manual entry can trigger those. But what we've got is the ability to then search across any one of those. Everybody can search by a pro number, trailer number, and so forth. But what if you could search by a location name, a customer name, a commodity, a city, and roll that all into one? And this was used 3 million times last month. This is one of our #1 used features within Turvo, but it gives you a contextual search across all data contained within Turvo. Then all the information is quickly and easily displayed, gives you the ability to see it at a top level, take fast action, or go into it and get the detail. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. Now what we're looking at is this is a shipment view within Turvo. So looking at this, I'm going to walk through a couple things. First, we've got collaboration. Looking at the top right, this is our presence. This is showing us who has been in the shipment, who has done what, and then repeated that information to our timeline. Big Brother's always watching, so we've always got an audit trail to lean on and understand what changes impacted our shipment. Also driving in collaboration is messaging. 70% of our communication is within our four walls, but what about outside those four walls? So given that, we have messaging that is able to then drive through your four walls, but then also the driver, the carrier, the origin, destination, and of course your customer. Again, bringing collaborative parties together and also letting them exchange data as needed. Now, from a document management side, another area which we're transforming the supply chain is park that data in there. Users from the driver and the POD all the way forward to the rate confirmations can be captured within Turvo. Also rendered and shared throughout Turvo, bill of lading, weight certifications, and so forth, able to be exchanged within Turvo. One thing we really haven't talked much about so far is carriers. So within our carrier tab, what we're able to do is show you who is on that carrier, if the carrier was, or who is on that shipment, and who, if that shipment was not assigned, what our capacity options are. Contract, spot, who's available, who's got equipment available, and then also our posting boards and other digital tendering methods. All of that, again, in one spot. Now, from a collaboration standpoint, we're really hitting a crescendo here with the sharing tab. And what the sharing allows us to do is to push out a link based on milestone information, time, or distance to a specific milestone, and then giving us that ability to exchange that data and push it out. There is a pharmacy in the United States that has 10,000 locations, and these are being sent out every time there's a delivery to let the store managers know when they have to be there based on the ETA of the truck. Now, just in 20 seconds left, I want to be able to hit with you that, through visibility, collaboration, and digitization, Turvo has really been able to transform the industry. If you want to see more, go out those doors, hit the left. We are the first booth on the left. Thank you very much for your time.